Divided all the looks into three categories: Desi girl, modern girl, and glam girl.
Sat Shri Akal ji, my name is Girl and welcome back to Girl's Beauty. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys 8 beautiful and stylish ways to style your kurti. So let's jump right into today's video.
Take a cup of tea or coffee and enjoy this video. The first look is going to be jeans look but with a twist. I picked up my loafers to add more style to this look. You can pair your Punjabi jutti, that will also look great. And the twist is wear a waistcoat. Then I picked this waistcoat to complete my look. In terms of jewelry, I'm keeping it very simple. So I picked up these hoops instead of jhumkas to add more western touch to my look. Complete your look with a sling bag. Why sling bag? Let's have a look. Number 1, for the effortless look. And then number 2, which most of us are going to love, is it makes you look slim. Yes, roll the bottom of your jeans to show your ankles. That looks really great with kurtas. This look is inspired by Kareena Kapoor's Jab We Met look. Oh my god, I love this song. But let's get back to the video. If you don't have a waistcoat, wear your jeans jacket instead. I'm sure we all have jeans jacket. So the first look is going to be with the lighter shade jeans jacket. I personally prefer sleeveless jacket for this look, but you can opt for full sleeve jacket like Kareena Kapoor. I'm going to take the same sling bag and put it across, and this is the final look. Next, I'm going to change to this dark denim jacket, and with this look I'm going to tie my hair in a ponytail, and this is the final look. So out of these 3 looks, which one is your favorite? 1, 2 or 3? Do let me know in the comment section below. For the next look, I picked this beautiful printed sharara. I thought of wearing these chunky heels in yellow color to add some brightness to this outfit. Since my sharara is very long, I'm going to fold it once to show my heels and also to be a little bit comfortable while walking. In terms of jewelry, I picked these beautiful silver jhumkas from Yumoha, and this is going to be my handbag. Here's the final look. In case you're wondering, I bought these heels from Zara. This is a very simple yet stylish look. I would keep my hair open with this look. In case you want to tie your hair, I would suggest you to wear a neck piece, otherwise your outfit might look incomplete. I don't know why, but this look gives me Delhi girls vibe. Do you reckon? And for the next look, I picked black chiffon dupatta and black georgette palazzo pants. Since we are carrying dupatta in this look, so you can tie around your hair if you like. Why I am talking about dupatta and hair is because my kurti neck is a bit broad and deep compared to normal kurtas. So if your kurti neck is not very deep, you can tie your hair without worrying about dupatta. Check out these cool silver earrings. It is totally safe to say I'm a big fan of Yumoha. Since everything about this look is very simple, so I thought of choosing this gorgeous golden chain handbag. I'm not going for very high heels, so I picked these simple black sandals to go with this look. This look reminds me of beautiful Pakistani girls. Very simple yet sweet. If you want to give stylish look, go for heavy eyes and nude lips. So what do you think of this simple yet pretty look? Do let me know in the comment section below. And for the next look, I'm going to keep the same georgette palazzo pants. I'm going to replace my dupatta with this black and white striped button down dress. And there is a belt as well in the same fabric, and I'm definitely going to use it. Since the broad neck is covered by collars of this button-down shirt dress, so I'm going for high ponytail. With high ponytail, you instantly give very youthful look because a tight and high ponytail will instantly give you a facelift, which will make you look much younger. If you feel your face is looking very round because of the high ponytail, you can pull out few sections of your hair around your face. That is going to frame your face and make it look less round. This is a very smart and stylish Indo-Western look. This belt is not just keeping everything in place, but it's also defining your waist. And this whole outfit will make you look few inches slimmer. You can wear this to work, shopping, meeting friends, no matter what the occasion is. You are going to rock it with this outfit. So next one is going to be this look. I went for a flowy jacket on top of my kurta, and I paired a structured handbag in brown to go with this look. In terms of jewelry, I picked these very simple small golden hoops. And this whole outfit looks put together because of the shoes. And make sure your footwears have some kind of pattern or design on it. And that is going to divert attention from your legs because we don't want to highlight that we are wearing a kurta as a dress. For the next look, I slipped into my high-waisted black pants. I picked these gorgeous boot heels to go with this look. Now let's talk about the fun part of this outfit, which is going to be this toe. And I'm gonna drape it like this. We are all set? I'm just kidding. So I'm going to put it on my shoulders like this. Make sure it is equal on both sides, and then take a thick belt in a similar color because we don't want to highlight our belt too much, and then use it to keep the stole in place. Adjust the stole to make sure it is equal on both sides. For the hair, half updo or a ponytail will look really good with this look, but I wanted to try something a bit extra. So I went for this beautiful head accessory to style my look. So this is how my hair and makeup are looking. To complete this look, I picked my Terry Blake structured handbag in black. Another interesting thing about this look is it will help you hide extra inches if you have any. Let me know your honest take on my hair accessory in the comment section below. This is a perfect outfit for winters. It is stylish and cozy. Now let's move on to the next outfit. For this, I paired my pleated black skirt with my kurta. For the shoes, I picked these strappy black heels. So far, this dress reminds me of that old Punjabi song. Let's get back to work. To completely transform this look from traditional to modern, I'm going to wear blazer. First, I thought of wearing this blazer, but this came out to be a little bit longer than what I expected. And I changed to another blazer, and the length of this blazer is perfect for this style. Another game changer for the look is going to be this belt. Since I don't want my earrings to be center of attention, so I went for these very simple earrings.
And this has to be my favorite look. Currently I'm on leave, I'm a software developer, and next time whenever I'm going to work, I will dress up like this. Promise.
This waist belt is defining waist, adding style to my outfit and keeping everything in place. This is such a modern and chic outfit, and you can totally wear it to work. So what's your take on this look? Do let me know in the comment section below. Next outfit is going to have some interesting colors, and for this look I wore burnt orange high-waisted pencil skirt. And then on top I thought of wearing my waistcoat, and then I realized the navy blue color of my waistcoat wasn't going that well with the black colored belt. So I thought of replacing it with something in black, and for that I picked my black blazer, and I feel this black blazer is going very well compared to the waistcoat. And then I picked this pair to complete my look. This is a very different style of earrings I have ever seen. And so far, this is the outcome. This is how our outfit looks. But wait a minute, we are going to add another surprise, which is going to be this beautiful scarf. This is another one of my favorite looks from this video. These earrings are called modern art earrings, and this scarf I bought from Forever New long time back. You can dress up like this to a meeting or work, and it is super glamorous and practical. And for the last and not the least, I'm going to pair my white kurti with my golden or beige skirt. To make this look winter appropriate, I added this beautiful off-white jacket. Since overall it is a very light look, so I picked this leopard print scarf to add more style to my look. I'm going to tie it around my ponytail. Pick these very simple golden earrings. These beautiful pearl button details on the jacket is what makes it very chic and pretty. To complement this look, I went for the Terry Blake handbag in beige color, because this look is a combination of very light and beautiful shades put together to give a classy look. This look reminds me of Simi Garewal. Do you remember her show? So it was a talk show and she used to wear just white outfit on her talk show, and in each episode she looked like a goddess. So pretty. And this look is appropriate for all the ages. Anyone who wears it will look glamorous and pretty.
And that's it for today's video guys. काफी मेहनत हुई है. I hope ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ. ਜੇ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੀ ਤਾਂ please like ਕਰਿਓ ਤੇ comment section ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਓ. In case you didn't like the video, you can hit the thumbs down button as well. Either ways, just let me know your actual feedback. And that's it guys. I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and stay at home. Sat Shri Akal.